How to delete Netflix account on your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to browser on your mobile phone and search the netflix.com. Here in Netflix homepage, on the top menu, go to security. Here in security below, you can see the delete account button. Okay, you can tap this. First, let's make sure it's you. So you can send the code via email or text code. And I use email a code. Okay, tap the email code and enter the code we just sent to your email. You can enter on this 171334 171334, and after you enter the code, tap the submit button, and after that, deleting your account is permanent. So okay, deleting your account means you will permanently lose access to your profile, favorite viewing, etc. And okay, you'll have to do is tap the box on the left side. Yes, I want to permanently delete my Netflix account at this time. So okay, you'll have to do is tap the permanent delete button here to permanently delete your Netflix account. Okay, your request is being processed. We sorry to see you go. A confirmation email was sent to richardcabili@yahoo.com prior to deleting your account. And okay, after that, tap the done button. And okay guys, we have successfully delete the Netflix account using your mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.